Hi students, we shall discuss about industrial pharmacy or formulative pharmacy. B.Pharm third year, 5th sem. In that industrial pharmacy, first of all, we shall discuss about unit first, which is known as pre-formulation studies. What do you mean by pre-formulation studies? Pre-formulation is nothing but the before or prior that to formulate a specified dosage form, that is known as pre-formulation. In the introduction of pre-formulation, which means that the studies which focus those physicochemical properties of new compound that could affect on drug and their performance. Development of efficacious dosage form. This is the branch of pharmaceutics. Pre-formulation is the minor or prior study to develop or to formulate a desired dosage form. That is known as the pre-formulation studies, including that physicochemical properties of drug, characterization of drug, dosage form, and the relevant excipient to formulate such type of dosage form. That is known as the pre-formulation studies. It includes that drug moiety and the solubility of drug characteristics, excipient and their grade, pH, pKa, dissociation constant, etc. will be studied in the pre-formulation studies. Why pre-formulation? Why pre-formulation is done or the need of pre-formulation studies? First, to avoid drug loss and batch failure. To avoid drug loss means, first of all, we shall discuss what is the scenario of industry or any manufacturing site regarding a specified dosage form or the formulations. To manufacture any batch or the formulation or to develop any dosage form, there will be need to perform the pre-formulation studies, including that the drug characterization studies. To avoid drug loss, their compatibility studies to compatible with the excipient and the somewhat grade of excipients, solubility for the desired pharmacological effect or the therapeutic effect and plasma concentrations, drug toxicity. These are the basic considerations things which will be done in the pre-formulation studies. After that, to select and optimize the batch formulation. To manufacture any specific dosage form which required the much more amount or the which will be costly to direct manufacture. But with the help of pre-formulation studies, we can optimize or optimize the batch for the development of desired product or any batch manufacturing. After that, desired product quality. To achieve better quality of the product and the maximum therapeutic effect with less toxicity of drug and their stability problem, it is need to perform pre-formulation studies. Build or develop good quality product. To develop a good or desired quality product, we must go for the pre-formulation studies. After that, goals and objective of pre-formulation. What are the goals and objective of pre-formulation? Pre-formulation के कौन से गोल है, उसके क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं? First, establish necessary physicochemical parameters of new drug substance. To establish means to determine what are the physicochemical properties and the parameter of the drug, active chemical moiety and the grade of excipients. What means that first of all we can check their pH, dissociation constant, kinetic parameter of and their other physicochemical parameter, there is solubility. Second one, determine kinetic rate profile, which includes that the ADME profile, that is absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion by using the vitro models. establish physical characteristics, that means by the drug stability, drug characterization, pH, state of the drug. After that, establish compatibility with common excipient. This is the very much and much more important things to establish compatibility studies. In what percent your drug is compatible with your excipients? And what prior of time your drug is stable with your excipient and get desired pharmacological effect. That's why we can use the pre-formulation studies, provide insights into how drug products should be processed and stored to ensure their quality. To build up quality product after the manufacturing of batch or the formulation of desired product. That's why pre-formulation is important to develop an optimal drug delivery system. Any drug or dosage form which having the low bioavailability, which will be utilized for the other route of administration, somewhat tablet having the low disintegration, low dissolution, and ultimately affected on the rate of bioavailability. Means delay absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. But instead of tablet, we will formulate their suspension, emulsion, or other dosage form which will be compatible with their suitable excipients. After that, physical properties of the drug. What are the physical properties of drug? Including that physical form, which contains crystal form and amorphous form, particle size, shape, flow properties, solubility profile including pKa, pH and partition coefficient, polymorphism. First of all, we shall discuss about what do you mean by physical form. Means your drug substance in which form, in which state. There will be in crystalline form or amorphous form. Crystalline forms means nothing but the drug have their definite shape and in the crystal form. Crystal form of drug which having low solubility, ultimately low absorption, distribution, metabolism, and effect on the less bioavailability. Amorphous form which having does not any specific form or the crystal in that type. After that, particle size.